So friends, in today's video I am going to tell you about all the buttons and functions of Lloyd AC remote in very detailed and simple words. So let's start the video. You can see the power button on the remote. With this you can turn AC on and off. After that the next button is temperature up down button. Now the more you press the temperature down button, the temperature will decrease. The lower the temperature, the more cooling it will do. Its lowest temperature is 16 degrees. Now the more you press the temperature up button, the temperature will increase and the AC will start reducing the cooling. Its highest temperature is 31 degrees. If you just want cooling and also want to reduce electricity bill, then you should use 26. This is a very good temperature for our body also. And if you feel more cooling in 26 degrees, then you can set the temperature of your AC to 27 degrees. And if you are feeling hot in 26 degrees, then you can set the temperature of your AC to 25 or 24. After that, the next button is sleep. By pressing the sleep button, the AC becomes silent, and the use of sleep button is very good. Like suppose you have kept the temperature of your AC whatever, then every 2 hours the temperature will automatically increase by 1 degree and you will not sleep due to extreme cold. There will be no problem in this. You can also use it by timing. You can also set a timer of 1 to 3 hours to increase the temperature during sleep. Next button is display. By pressing the display button, the display of your AC will turn off but your AC will remain on. You can use this button only to turn off the display light of AC. After that, the next button is timer. Timer can be set from 1 hour to 24 hours. Just show the remote to the AC and set the time. The timer will be set automatically in your AC. And if you want to cancel the timer, then you can turn off the timer with the on-off button. After that, the next button is turbo. Generally what happens is that whenever we turn on the AC, the compressor turns on in 3 minutes. But by pressing the turbo button, the compressor starts in 1 minute and the speed of the fan of the indoor unit also increases significantly. Coming to the room, and your room is very hot and you are feeling very hot in the room and you want quick cooling, then you can use the turbo button. In this the room cools down very quickly. After that, the next button is fan speed. This is for the speed of the fan that is blowing air from the indoor unit. It works in 4 speeds. Currently the fan speed is in auto. Right now the fan speed is in low. Right now the fan speed is in medium. Right now the fan speed is on high. You can control the speed of the fan as per your convenience. If you want to cool the room quickly, then set the fan speed to high. Next button is ionizer. This Fresca series of Lloyd heavy duty ACs is equipped with unique Puro air ionizer. Negative ions released by the ionizer gets attached into the air to tiny particles. Some of them are not visible from naked human eye and give them electrical charge, causing them to clump together and land on surfaces like walls, ceilings, doors, tabletops, curtains, carpets, rugs and metal collector plates in the devices, etc. Once the particles have landed on something, they can easily be cleaned up. The sensor parallelly senses, evaluates and then indicates the actual improved room air quality status at just a click of a button. Sensor will give direct indications at direct levels of PM2.5 in the room, thereby giving our customers cleaner, healthier air. This all will happen while the actual level of PM2.5 is being displayed on the indoor panel. Next button is vertical swing. This is the button for the front swing of the AC. It works in up and down. By using this swing, the cooling of the AC will spread quickly in the room. And wherever you want to stop the swing flap, by pressing this button your swing flap will stop there. Next button is horizontal swing. This is the button for the swing inside the AC. It works from right to left. By using this swing, the cooling of the AC will spread quickly in the room. After that, the next button is operation mode. By pressing the mode button you will see the mode. Currently in cool mode. Currently in dry mode. Currently in fan mode. Now the mode is in heat. Currently the mode is in auto. Now I will tell you the information about the mode in detail in very simple words. After that, if you press the mode button again, cool mode will come. In cool mode, all the buttons on the remote of the AC will work, and in this mode the AC will cool. And in cool mode the AC will do the cooling as per your requirement. After that, the next mode is dry. You can use dry mode in the rainy season. There is a lot of humidity and sticky heat in the rainy season, so using the AC in dry mode removes that humidity. After that, the next mode is fan. The fan will not provide AC cooling, only the fan of the indoor unit will run. Suppose there is no fan in your room and you do not want AC cooling and you just want to use AC fan, then you can use fan mode. Next mode is heat. If your AC supports heat mode, then only you can use heat mode. Heat mode is used in cold weather, but you should note that your AC is hot and cool model, only then your AC will work in heat mode. Heat mode will operate from 26 to 30 degrees and help heat your room. After that, if you press the mode button again, auto mode will come. In auto mode your AC will work automatically and the AC will work as per its own. If you feel that the cooling is more or less in auto mode, then you can also increase or decrease the cooling by using the temperature up and down button. Next button is aux heat. You can find out if your AC supports heat mode by compressing the aux heat button. If you press this button while looking at the AC and beep sound is coming from the AC, then your AC supports heat mode. If beep sound is not coming from the AC, then your AC will not support hot mode. Light wave function. There is an extra button in the remote. The company has not yet launched this function. Next button is clean plasma. This button is used to dry the indoor coil to remove fungus and dust present in the cooling coil of the indoor unit. This function starts after switching off the AC from the remote and works for 10 minutes after switching off the AC after using the AC. After this, the AC will stop after the cooling coil dries. This function is used to clean the indoor cooling coil. Next button is fresh air. If bad smell is coming from your AC, then use the fresh air button. Fresh air button will remove the bad smell and bring fresh air into the room. Hope you have understood the information given by me. Then do like my video.